89 species in genus Ludwigia. February 2nd. Ludwigia, born on February 2nd, Ludwigia, the water primrose, defines you. Thriving near water, Ludwigia symbolizes adaptability and flow. You are graceful and resilient, effortlessly navigating life's ups and downs. Your calm presence has a way of soothing those around you. My fascination with Ludwigia, a world of water-loving wonders. As a plant enthusiast, I'm constantly drawn to the diversity and beauty of the natural world. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Ludwigia, a fascinating group of aquatic plants with a global presence. These plants belong to the Onagraceae family, often known as primrose willows, water purslines, or water primroses, thrive in wet environments, from marshes and ponds to rivers and lakes. Their adaptability and striking features make them a favorite among botanists, aquarists, and nature lovers alike. Diverse forms and habitats. What I find most intriguing about Ludwigia is the sheer variety within the genus. These plants exhibit a remarkable range of forms, from small, creeping herbs to larger, erect shrubs. Some species are fully aquatic, with submerged leaves and stems, while others are emergent, with foliage extending above the water's surface. This diversity allows Ludwigia to colonize a wide array of habitats, contributing to the rich tapestry of wetland ecosystems. A closer look at Ludwigia species. The genus Ludwigia encompasses a vast number of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Ludwigia. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Ludwigia species play a vital role in their ecosystems. They provide habitat and food for a variety of aquatic organisms, including fish, insects, and amphibians. Their dense growth helps to stabilize shorelines and prevent erosion. Some species are even used in phytoremediation to remove pollutants from water bodies. Challenges and conservation. Despite their resilience, Ludwigia species face challenges, particularly from habitat loss and the introduction of invasive species. Climate change also poses a threat, as rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns can disrupt wetland ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these valuable plants and ensure their continued presence in our natural world. My personal connection. My interest in Ludwigia stems from a deep appreciation for the intricate beauty and ecological importance of aquatic plants. I'm fascinated by their adaptations to life in water and their ability to thrive in diverse environments. I believe that understanding and appreciating these plants is essential for fostering a greater connection with nature and promoting conservation efforts. In the future, I hope to learn more about the genus Ludwigia, exploring its taxonomy, distribution, and ecological roles in greater depth. I'm particularly interested in the use of Ludwigia species in aquascaping and their potential for phytoremediation. By continuing to learn and share my knowledge, I hope to contribute to the appreciation and conservation of these remarkable plants.